Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 bi-turbo pushing on 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one does come with the lighting package with front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, illuminated star on the grille, appearance package with 20-inch multi-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Illuminated running boards. A macchiato beige MB-Tex interior with a eucalyptus trim. Panorama sunroof. Third row seating. Trailer hitch. GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, Sedal season floor mats, fold down third row seats, lane tracking package with active blind spot assist, lane keep assist, premium one package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS has 59,257 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmanimports.com.